Time and repeat.
Hey guys, is this good lighting? I don't know. I'm doing my intro in the bathroom because it's good-ish lighting. Wow, my arm hurts. Oh my god, sorry if my hair looks bad. It's good-ish lighting, and yeah, my kitchen is messy. What's new? Me. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is ALANNA SIMPSON. If you don't know, now you know, and I'm scared if I'm gonna drop my camera in the toilet. Ugh, okay. Okay, hope your day's going great. Like, comment, subscribe to me, watch my other videos. Woo! Stuff from mic drop. I don't know. How's life? How are you doing? I'm doing great. I'm watching myself in the mirror right now. See? Bingo. I'm wearing this cute little top that I thrifted. Some Adidas trackies and my DIY Gucci slides. Yeah, that's right. So, hey guys. Today's video is going to be me making rumbles. If you don't know what rumbles are, they're like a little chocolate yummy ball that tastes so good. And if you're from another country and have never heard of these before, or if you just haven't heard of these before, I would make them. They're so simple, easy, and so delicious to have, and you can overeat them in like 3 seconds. So little ingredients, and you're just gonna watch me cook them and eat all the mixture and then get sick. So yeah. Bye guys. Okay, so I'll show you all the ingredients you need. Okay, you're gonna need some desiccated coconut. You're gonna need 2 packets of ALANNA Marie biscuits, or Marie, I don't know how to say that, whatever. You're gonna need some cocoa powder, a little bit of juice. Any juice is fine. I like to use orange, whatever is in the fridge. If you have apple, any juice is fine, really. And then 2 things of sweetened condensed milk, and that's all you need. Okay, so step 1 is put the 2 packets of Marie biscuits in a bowl and crumble them up till they're legit fine dust. I can't find my rolling pin. Hey ladies and gents, I'm back. I found the rolling pin. This is what you use, and then you're going to smash it like that. And I just felt like telling you, this recipe is so good to make, because like if you're mad, you can just crush the biscuits as hard as you can. Like, get all that anger out. Yeah girl, just do it. And then you start crushing. Guys, what a great angle. You can't see my food, but you can see me. Sarah and Alex were crumbling them up. This is what it looks like. And there's like little crumbs. That's what you want. Like, you want there to be like some little crumbs, so it's like crunchy, but like you want it to be like a fine dust. Like that. Actually, I think there's already packed there. I am a silly Billy and didn't tell you what to do, so you just grab a cup of desiccated coconut and then put it in the mixture. Okay, so this is also a brand of some coconut. I'm going to use that up. Oh shit. And we're just going to pour it in. Don't ask how much, I just eyeball everything, basically. Like, you want them to be chocolatey, but like, yeah. Let's put a little bit more in. Oopsie doopsie, oh my god, it's everywhere. This is what it looks like. It looks like a chocolate poop house. This is what it looks like, a chocolate poop house. It looks a little darker. It looks like, that's what it looks like. There we go, the beautiful. Sorry, there you go. I'm just gonna pour this in, and then, yeah, so that's just the desiccated coconut and this stuff, but yeah, there you go. Vine. Oh my god, is that satisfying? And I'll just use a spatula to get the rest out, but yeah. I don't know if you're gonna see me, but I showed you, I put it all in. And now we're gonna open the second can. Oh my god, that's so satisfying. And then ready? I need you to get me a tripod.
A what?
A tripod? No, we don't.
Yes, you did.
Okay, I need it then. Because I'm having to make book stands.
It's in our bedroom.
Well, I would like to have it.
Camera tripod?
Yeah. No, a giraffe tripod, Dad. Now we're gonna mix this beautiful creation. And then eat it. This looks like poopy mixture. You guys, this is so good! So this is what it looks like. And you gotta like mix it, but like some stuff at the bottom is like, oh my god. Some stuff at like the bottom, there we go, is like dry stuff, so you gotta get the stuff in, and if it's like that, then you add the splash of orange juice. I've got to be literally screaming. I was like, Dad, you gotta buy me a tripod. And then he brings up from upstairs this huge ass tripod. And you can like make it smaller. Oh my god. Like I can put you guys on here. Hey guys. Oh. But. I'll bring it over here again. You can see that there is some light cream and mixture. So I'm just gonna pour in some orange juice. This is what I do all the time. Or like lemon juice, whatever you want. Not too much though. And then you mix it all together. And it's out of focus. Oh my god! What the hell? Oh, it's already open. Hello, Nini. Hello. Don't walk away from me. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. No? She's obsessed with me. Oh, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Rip me. But what I was gonna say is, yeah. What I was gonna say is, I'm gonna roll these balls onto this plate, and then in another bowl, you're gonna coat them in the desiccated coconut and then put them in another tray, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? I'm eating this because it tastes so good. Oh my god, it's getting dark. Oh my god, it looks so bad, but oh my god, they look like shits. I'm sorry, they look like little poopies. Oh my god, Jesus, that's heavy. There you go. That's what they look like. They look like little balls. I finished this. I'm going to put it there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put coconut in a little bowl like this. And then coat them in that. And then put them in this. And then I'm going to pop them in the freezer because that's what you do. You put them in the freezer so then they're nice and cold when you eat them. And then they're freaking splendid, delicious. And yeah, and I'm watching Ace Family. Whoop whoop. I'm going to roll them in condensed coconut. And then eat them all. But yeah, these are what they look like. It's better angled. They look like, they look better than they do, but they're sticky because of the condensed milk. So what you do is you grab a bowl, you roll it, cover it, and then put it in there, and then you do the rest. Dun 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 da 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 da. Bam! Ooh, they're looking good. The camera wasn't getting it right, but look how good these babies look. And then what I like to do is I just like to sprinkle a little bit of extra coke in it. And then you can either put them in the fridge or freezer. I put them in the freezer because they're really nice when they're like cold. Hi queens. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. It was cold, it's been a while. It's now like 6 o'clock now. I'm freezing. I'm in this thrifted jumper. I'm still home alone and scared as crap because it's like dark outside because daylight savings has gone in Australia and I'm hungry. Here's Sophie. She hasn't shut up ever. No. I felt like I'm gonna try one because why not? But I'm supposed to be doing maths homework. I get really scared really easily. Fun fact about me. And I will probably hurt you if you ever try scare me. A positive note. Oh my god, they look so good. They're still a little squishy, but I'm sure it will be fine. What one do I have? Oh my god, I should stop touching them. They're frozen bananas, by the way. That's hummus. Don't know why that's there. Oh, what one should I have? Oh, let's have this mini one. This is so addictive. And it tastes so good. Family eats them and they'll be legit gone within like a week. Because they taste so dang good. This has just been an eventful day, but I'm upstairs back in my bed, unmade bed, because I'm lazy. Whatever. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you did, comment rumbles down below. Actually, no one does that. No one ever does that. I don't know why I say that, because no one ever does that. That's okay. Whatever. Guys, make these rumbles. These taste amazing. They are so good and I love them. Like this video, give it a big thumbs up, even though 3 people do it each week. And subscribe to me if you like me. If you like me, watch more of my videos, okay? Like, whoa, go do it. At the end of click on the videos at the end of the video, okay? But yeah, guys, follow my Instagram. It's linked down below. Subscribe, and I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are. If you're watching this in the morning, wow, that sounded so American. If you're watching this in the morning, afternoon, or nighttime. Anyway, bye guys. Whoop whoop. Peace out, Girl Scout.
If I told you how the story